These are the Jewish values that we learn from the Torah, from Jewish life. And I have found that people that do not have very strong core values, they are confused. They are trying to find possibly other religions to identify with. And they are very easily persuaded to go the wrong way. Because in me it was instilled those very important Jewish values. Just to give you a couple of them, this is compassion, caring for other people, loving thy neighbor like you love thyself, and many, charity and many other Jewish values. I have been very grounded. I had many opportunities to stray, to do the wrong things, but those values kept me from doing the wrong thing.